Can an AI tool seamlessly take over your browser and perform tasks for you? Well, that time is now. AI agents are the next big technological leap, with each new launch surpassing the last in capabilities and promise. To stay ahead in this intense race for dominance, OpenAI has unveiled Operator, a groundbreaking AI agent that can book your dream vacation and even handle your grocery shopping. Picture these agents making decisions beyond what you ask them. Can this happen with the Operator? Let's find out all about this new AI agent. Operator is OpenAI's first attempt at an AI agent. On Thursday, January 23, 2025, OpenAI launched a research preview of a product called Operator. Operator can go to the web and perform tasks such as filling out forms, ordering groceries, booking travel, creating memes, and scheduling tasks. In simple terms, Operator is a general-purpose AI tool that interacts with websites to perform tasks. Keep in mind that Operator is an AI agent. This means it takes on the role of a human and doesn't want to be told what to do. Unlike ChatGPT, which is a chat box for communications with humans, Operator will use data stored based on the user's preference to take action. Operator can use its browser, look at a web page, and interact with it by typing and using the functions of a computer mouse, such as clicking and scrolling. It can also see through screenshots. Operator will function through a computer-driven agent model, allowing the agent to engage with the website's front end without needing developer-oriented APIs. The Operator can click buttons, navigate drop-down menus, and fill out forms with information. OpenAI is partnering with companies like DoorDash, eBay, Instacart, Priceline, StubHub, and Uber in the initial implementation stage. The agent is designed to seek user confirmation before executing an action, such as finalizing an order or sending an email, enabling users to review the agent's tasks. OpenAI stated that the model has already demonstrated its usefulness in various scenarios and aims to broaden its reliability across more tasks. OpenAI intends to extend Operator's capabilities to Plus, Team, and Enterprise subscribers. It also plans to incorporate these features into ChatGPT in the future. OpenAI is mindful of user security and has maintained that focus during the development of Operator. The Operator was designed to prioritize user protection at all times. It includes built-in safeguards against misuse, such as a monitoring system that halts the agent's activity if it detects any suspicious behavior, along with continuously updated protection mechanisms that humans review automatically. Moreover, Operator requires user involvement to handle CAPTCHA verifications or to navigate intricate web interfaces. OpenAI has established rate limits on the number of tasks Operator can complete within a single day or at once. They've indicated that the agent is sufficiently secure to be released as a research preview. OpenAI asserts that Operator surpasses comparable rival tools, such as Anthropic's computer use and Google's DeepMind Mariner. But is this claim valid? OpenAI is not the pioneer in launching AI agents. Microsoft, Google, and Slack have also introduced their versions. However, OpenAI has elevated the conversation and advanced AI agents significantly. Unlike conventional automation tools that depend on preset APIs or inflexible workflows, Operator directly engages with websites, replicating human behaviors like clicking, typing, and scrolling. This feature distinguishes it from other AI agents. Enterprises are already excited to have a slew of AI agents in 2025. These agents can help with customer service, human resources, data security, and public sector organizations. They're designed to save users time. With Operator, you can perform many tasks simultaneously while away. This will improve people's productivity and help them get more things done in less time. It's like having multiple hands and legs, being in many places simultaneously, and having many brains to confront every task you have. This is just incredible when you think about it. The launch of Operator stirred a lot of dust across various quarters. It came with a mix of smiles and frowns. Many have different things to say about it. The general population, for instance, does not stand on the same ground concerning their reaction to Operator. Someone commented, "The world is going to be so exciting when everyone is just middle management. It's hilarious how so many people just don't use their brains and think about what this is turning into." Another said, "I don't know how I feel about these use cases. To me, this is kinda giving up control over my own experience. In the end, some things are about getting the job done, but more often it's about the experience. For example, when you book a hotel, you want to choose the best one. There is some adrenaline and excitement when you wonder which one to pick, and then when you go, you don't know what you'll find. Suppose it's a repetitive task, sure, but there is a line after which everything will become boring to us. For example, think about how much time you spend checking emails, thinking about how to reply, etc. If something takes all this from your life, it's gonna leave a space. Sure, I can fill it with gaming like always, but that will change my personality and interests. People speculate it will leave you a lot of time for creative tasks, but creative tasks are a function of the pressure you feel from your boring tasks. If you don't have this pressure, why bother doing anything instead of just gaming or whatever pleases you? Also, tech experts who understand operators' intricacies don't seem thrilled about it. Alon Levin, product manager for Seraphic Security, said, "Giving AI this level of control comes with significant security considerations. These include potential account compromise and data exfiltration due to unauthorized AI actions, unintentional access, and unintended interaction with malicious sites," he told Information Security Media Group. AI agents also introduce safety-related risks such as misuse of phishing scams or automated ticket scalping. While Operator might pose these risks if not properly handled, other experts are considering the importance of this innovation. Moving from generating text and images to doing things is the right direction, says Ali Farhadi, CEO of the Allen Institute for AI. It unlocks business and solves new problems. Aaron Levy, the CEO of Box, says, "AI agents having full browser access is going to open up 100x more use cases for AI. The web doesn't have APIs for the long tail of tasks that we do every day on computers, and browser use is a major missing link. Another building block for AI is here." Are you impressed by everything you've heard about Operator so far? Operator has its flaws too, and it's still far from perfect or complete. There are limitations to the use and complexity of activities that it can handle at the moment. OpenAI has already disclosed that the agent is still learning and evolving, so it's bound to make mistakes. Operator cannot reliably perform complex or customized tasks, such as creating intricate presentations or navigating non-standard interfaces. Users must manually enter information such as payment card details for sensitive tasks like monetary transactions. They must also actively supervise the agent's actions on sensitive websites like email platforms. Sending emails or deleting calendar events are currently unavailable because of security reasons. Also, Operator is not available in other countries outside the United States. This limitation is temporary, as Sam Altman promised to expand Operator to other countries, making it reach and serve a larger audience. During his live stream on Thursday, he said, "Operator will be in other countries soon." While this is good news, the other countries do not involve Europe. In that same live stream, he said, "Europe will, unfortunately, take a while." This could be due to regulatory complexities. Even within the US, it's only available to users on ChatGPT's Pro subscription plan, OpenAI's premium $200 a month service. Having limited users is to test run the AI agent and make necessary adjustments through feedback before releasing the best version to other parts of the world. Of course, this is a wise decision to minimize the risk of irreconcilable damage if Operator malfunctions on a larger scale. On its website, OpenAI said, "To ensure a safe and iterative rollout, we're starting small. Operator is an AI agent that can use the computer for you. As it has been speculated, 2025 is a year of agents. Will Operator open the doors for many more agents in the coming weeks and months? Share your thoughts in the comments. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe, and before you go, click on the video displayed on your screen.